Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn accounting in computer. Start by defining one clear goal and choose a beginner course that fits your schedule. Install a basic accounting program and practice entering transactions daily. Focus first on debits, credits, and the accounting equation. Use sample data to run reports and reconcile accounts. Track progress with small milestones and review mistakes to build confidence. Understand core concepts like the accounting equation and common accounts to build strong fundamentals. Practice journal entries and see how they post to ledgers and create a trial balance. Learn how income and expenses affect equity and how assets and liabilities interact. Use sample transactions to test your understanding and repeat until automatic. This foundation will make using accounting software and understanding reports much easier and more intuitive. Pick accounting software that matches your needs and offers tutorials to shorten the learning curve. Learn workflows, create invoices, record bills, reconcile bank statements, and generate profit and loss and balance sheet reports. Use templates for invoices and recurring transactions to save time. Practice common tasks repeatedly until you can complete them confidently. Explore keyboard shortcuts and automated rules to streamline work and reduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.